President Joe Biden approved a major disaster declaration for Vermont after devastating floods this week. And as MWin reports tonight, oppressive heat is affecting a third of the country, with more extreme temperatures and storms heading into the weekend.
A blistering heat wave sweeping the southern U.S. with no relief in sight. Phoenix, Arizona, in the middle of a record-breaking run of temperatures hitting 110 or higher for more than 2 weeks. Even at night, it's still in the 90s. The Arizona Burn Center treating people scorched from the pavement outside, which can reach 180 degrees during the day.
I just walked out of the operating room after operating on a patient who had gone down and suffered really bad pavement burns.
In California, sweltering conditions only expected to get worse this weekend, with highs in inland desert areas slated to top 120 degrees.
Getting overheated like that, you start to get tired, irritable, angry, you're not thinking clearly.
In Hollywood, Florida, the heat keeping people away from businesses on the beach.
The waters off South Florida hitting a shocking 98 degrees, threatening the coral reefs there. Climate change means these heat events are going to last longer and be more intense.
Over in Vermont, the state mourning its first fatality related to this week's raging floods that have destroyed thousands of homes and businesses. President Biden approving a disaster declaration as residents brace for more heavy rain. Alabama hit by torrential rain, with parts of Mississippi also underwater.
My store is currently underwater. You can't even see the parking lot anymore.